summer.
Where the speeds are extreme, the spin-outs are wild, the flying is intense. One place in Alabama where it's okay to drop out, hang a U-turn, and cruise the beach. One park in the South where you can ride waves, thrill rides, or both. Splash Beach Water Park or Magic Adventure Theme Park. Visionland, it's closer than you think, where I-20, 59 and 459 meet.
Visionland, it's the one for fun.
Happiness is
Flying planes,
happiness is
riding trains, a splashy slide, a speedy ride. Happiness is Visionland.
try it again.
Happiness is up and down. Happiness is going around, bouncing, bumping, whirling, wheeling. Happiness is Visionland. It's the one for fun.
There's only one place in summer.
Where speeding is legal, tailgating is encouraged, and you don't need a license to fly. One place in Alabama where families can horse around, drop out, and put a new spin on fun. Where you can enjoy a water park, a theme park, or both. Splash Beach Water Park or Magic Adventure Theme Park. Visionland, it's closer than you think, where I-20, 59 and 459 meet.
Visionland, it's a one